Well, toward moving in a slightly different direction, something that surprises me about Sean and both of you, I guess, saying that probability is maybe the biggest concern with many worlds is that I would have thought that the biggest concern is one of parsimony and simply just avoiding the inflation of your ontology to include this multiplicity of physical worlds. So that
There's
I mean, as a
parsimony, there's parsimony, and there's parsimony. Here I very much see the attraction of many worlds. Yeah, you got a lot of worlds there, but you have a beautifully simple theory.
okay,
Okay, a beautifully simple set of laws. Okay, the laws aren't being mutilated. The beautiful symmetries of the laws aren't being mutilated with the addition of a collapse postulate. And even the ontology, there's also ontology and ontology. Okay. Yeah. You've got in some sense a a huge ontology if you've got many worlds. Okay. But there's a separate question about how many kinds of fundamental things do you have? Okay. In Everett, you've just got the wave function. In other ways of solving the measurement problem that don't mutilate the mathematics of the wave function, like in bone, you have additional ontology in terms of particles. Um, so there are various ways of judging how profuse the ontology is. And there are a lot of ways of judging it on whichever it comes out looking really nice.
hmm. So maybe just for a mathematical analog, I mean, piano arithmetic, for instance, is a really simple theory, same with ZFC, but the structures they describe are really rich, and that's a major plus, and that the theory is parsimonious. Okay. And then
I
turning
don't think I don't think other things being equal, anybody would consider it an advantage of Everett that there are many worlds. We only see one. This is a balancing act. Okay. The point is that other things aren't equal. Okay. In order to get yourself one world, you need to, in one way or another, mutilate or add to the mathematics of the Schrodinger equation. You need to either mutilate it with a collapse or add to it with Bohmian particles and a guidance condition or something like that. So, other things being equal, which they're not, no, I don't think anybody would consider it an advantage of Everett that we've got all these worlds. We don't see them. We have no ordinary, everyday sorts of reasons for believing that such other worlds exist. If there were a way to get away without them, but be equally elegant, be equally parsimonious in terms of our theory, I'm speaking for Sean here, everybody would be delighted with that. But the point is, there are various kinds of parsimony which you can weigh and balance against one another.